Hey guys, Karl-Bohemian Nomad. Just got a late start to the morning. My son's got some legal issues with the grandkids, so I had to take some money down to an attorney I know to pay the retainer for him and get that all set up. This is the Commerce Bank building. This is where my great-grandfather, myself, and my dad all worked in it. My dad was a dentist, my great-grandfather was an attorney, I was an attorney. If you count out up 6 on that corner, that was my corner office. Yeah, it's exciting. Yep. And then there's the Peoria County Courthouse. Spent many a time there. It sucked. You know, when you have legal problems, it's all shit that's gone wrong. So none of it's really fun, except adoptions. Adoptions are cool. But yeah, Mr. Big Man, the 6th floor corner office. And then I always wanted to live right here in the Twin Towers. That's the Becker building there. Yeah, the Twin Towers. Yeah. Have a nice river view up there, but that never happened. Yeah. And there's the Jansen Law Center. He's our big PI attorney. There's a trucker right there. Yeah. He's a big PI attorney. Anyway, I told you I'd take some pictures of downtown. Anyway, see, there's Bounty and Harvest. They used to be over at the insane asylum in the gardens. And the lady Becker, who built the Becker building here, her husband Becker, he had some money. He built all the homes for people. There's the Becker building. That's where I did bankruptcies at for the most part. And then there's a building you can live at with dogs. Pretty cool. Kenny's West Side Pub. Kenny's West Side Pub, best wings in town. Yep. See, I would work. My idea was to work there, go home here, and have dinner there. So I had it all planned out, but it didn't work that way. Oh yeah, the reason I told you Jensen, he lived that big house I lived at, had the big river view. He lived at the very end in the biggest house. That's pretty cool. So anyway, there's our Peoria County City building. It's all built with sandstone. Sandstone's the original color of the stone. And there's our Civic Center where the Peoria Rivermen play for hockey, and Bradley basketball. It's pretty exciting. Yeah. So, yeah, that's pretty cool. It's more of the Civic Center. You can see it there. That's our theater. That's where my wife's gonna watch me, make me go watch Leanne Morgan, I think it is. She's a comic. I don't want to go. I'm like, why don't you take your mom? But she's like, no, you're going. So I guess I'm gonna go see Leanne Morgan there. And not too long. And then there's one of our big Catholic churches right there. And that white building there on the corner. I had an office there for a while too. Here's the back of the Becker building. There's more of the Twin Towers. I always wanted to live there, never got to live there. Yeah. And more of the courthouse. Yeah. There's the Mr. UPS man. UPS. Did that for a while too. Yeah. Fun times here in downtown Peoria. So, thought you'd get a kick out of it. This statue is called the Cedric the Sea Dragon. Here, that gets you down here. In case you want to read all that stuff. But anyway, that dude's been here for a while. Yeah. Anyway, more of our county building, some history. That's been here a long time, way before me. Yeah. So, Get here, get my license plate out. My new car, I got it all cleaned up. I took it to the car wash place like Tim said, and I got me a membership for $22 a month. So it's all clean. And I got the new car smell in there. It vacuumed it out and everything. Yeah. So exciting times. Oh, I wish I could have lived there. That'd have been so cool. That'd have been so cool. But no. Calpote's wife doesn't like to go camping. My wife wasn't going to live in the Twin Towers. So that's how it went. Yeah. Anyway. See you guys later at the AT&T and a little park. And you look down there. Down there, there's the museum. I showed it to you from the other side of the river one day. Yeah. Oh well. No dogs. Let you say goodbye to Cedric here. We'll see you later. Sorry we didn't have coffee. All right. Bye.